This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Mercy Sardinas. This unique, corner-dead in 1-acre property situated in a beautiful residential area of Lehigh Acres, FL with a spacious open floor plan with living, dining, breakfast area. Offering just over 2,000 square feet, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with porcelain and laminate floors will definitely wow you. New roof installed in 2019, pool with water heater and new large screen lanai and roof built in 2020, with plenty of backyard space is sure to make a long-lasting impression. Tile throught the lanai and outdoor kitchen with 5 gas burners. Large screened lanai area and beautiful canal view perfect for your outdoor fun. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.